whatever reason, every time I shoot a video outside, it's gloomy. Look at that. I haven't been on my channel for quite some time, and there's a reason for that. If you haven't seen the last video, I'm going to link it down below and somewhere up on top. But I did my 1-year remission and my journey through breast cancer. So on the end of that clip, I put that I was having a surgery on 9/1, and I did. Actually, last month in September, I had 2 surgeries. That's why I haven't been on. I had just, you know, after you come out of anesthesia, you just kind of, you just don't feel like doing anything. So since I had 2 surgeries within 2 weeks of each other, I just really haven't been feeling well enough to do a whole lot of crafting, even though I've done some. I just done it off camera. But I wanted to give you guys a little summary about how the surgery went, because that's basically what this video is going to be about. So the surgeries that I've had, I had the implants put in after a little over a year of having the expanders. There was a little bit of complications with it. The surgery itself went fine. It was afterwards that I had a little bit of a complication because it was done at a different location. So a different location carries a little bit different supplies when it comes to like wound sealers. So instead of sutured or stapled or anything like that, they glued the wound shut. Well, come to find out, the complication that I had was I became allergic to the glue that they used to seal the incisions when they did my breast implant surgery. So I broke out in this horrific rash that blistered. It wasn't painful whatsoever. It was just incredibly itchy. So that took a little over 2 weeks to clear up. So yeah, there's no way I was gonna do any kind of crafting video for you guys during that hell. And then on the 24th of September, sorry, my arm's getting tired. I'm switching back and forth. So on the 24th of September, are you kidding? Don't rain. Okay. If I can get through this quick. On the 24th of September, I had my port removed, so this is still a little bit fresh right there. My doctor did advise me that it was in the same family as the glue that they used for the implants, and because it's the original glue that they used before, a little over a year ago, and I had 0 reaction to it, I opted to go with that glue and doing steri strips. So this rash was self-inflicted. Yeah, that sucks. So we have about a little bit over a week to get rid of this one. That was totally my bad. I don't know when I'm going to be posting a video. I do have one that I'm working on, but if it would quit raining long enough, I can finish it. But every time I try and get that one finished outside, because it needs to be done outside, I don't have the room to do it inside for the final set or the final stages of it. It keeps raining. So it's getting really frustrating because we're still in hurricane season. So with Hurricane Gamma now, I can't do anything this weekend. So hopefully next weekend, unless there's another damn tropical storm showing up. But I'm trying to get one done, so I haven't forgotten about you guys. It's just 2 surgeries, recovering from the complications of it, and all this rain that we've been having lately. It's not been easy. Another thing, I will be posting a video. It's going to be more like a montage style of videos, like a summary type, because it's going to be mainly on my 3rd channel, R3 Realistic Renovations and Refinishings. I named the channel and I can't even say it. But anyway, R3 for short. But anyway, I'm going to be getting a craft room in my house. So we're going to be turning our back bedroom that's been used for storage and basically a catch-all for just crap. We're going to clear that out and we're going to do a craft room in there for me. So if you guys want to head on over to R3, I'll link it up below and above and somewhere in the video. But you can see how we did the garage. It's going to be kind of similar to that with a few changes in there. So we're gonna make it really nice. That's all I'm gonna tell you. I'm not gonna give too many surprises away on it because it's really gonna be nice, and it's all gonna be done by us with no outside help. The only thing I'm gonna tell you, we're gonna pretty much make everything, but the cabinets themselves are gonna be on the wall, and obviously a TV. We're not gonna make a damn TV. That's just too hard. I mean, you know, things like that. So like the countertops and the desk and a light box and some decorations that you've probably seen in some of our videos, but we don't have a video on how we did it. That's also going to be on there. We have 2 builds for that. Trying to think what else we got going on for it. I can't remember, but just stay tuned for those, because like I said, I'm going to do a montage style on this channel for that build, but the entire process will be on Realistic Renovations and Refinishing. And I will link the garage to every single episode that we've done, the whole playlist. Any previous videos of the build for my craft room will also be linked accordingly. Now, if you guys have any questions on anything of like how we do our build on anything, you can leave it down below in any one of my video montages, or go to R3 and leave any kind of questions or comments down on that. I do read every single one, and I do try my best to get back with everybody. Follow 151 Garage on Instagram, because he's also going to be posting pictures throughout the process of the craft room. I will be posting pictures of the craft room as well as it progresses from the beginning to what we've done. You know, it's like every little stage that we did. And we're also going to do the video styles just a little bit different on R3 than what we did with the garage. So we're trying to just find the best way to shoot our videos, but I need feedback from you guys of what style that you like. If you have any ideas, fellow YouTubers, help us out. You know, this anything will help. So just stay tuned. We have a lot coming up. So I haven't forgotten about you guys. I've just been a little bit busy, you know, with real life. And that's it for the video. Thank you.